First question ko po is, paano po ipinapakilala muli ang sarili mo sa publiko this time as a pop singer instead of bilang magaling na theater actor at singer po?
Ayun, actually, few months ago, we released yung song na Hubad, composed by Feb Cabahog. And, ang aim talaga namin doon is to be introduced by the younger generation, the Gen Z, the Gen A. And, yun yung mga ways para makilala ako and to reintroduce myself, because medyo nasa kasi ako parang in between pop, musical, so ang hirap i-determine sometimes, but with that song, totally parang light R&B siya na may pagka soul. So pakinggan nila yan, yung Hubad sa Spotify, and we will release more songs na mga pop songs sa mga susunod na buwan.
And my next question is, sinong artist, local at foreign, ang dream collaboration mo at bakit?
Sa international, siguro, dream collaboration, Michael Bublé. Yeah, Michael Bublé. And then sa local, my ultimate idol, Mr. Martin Rivera. Yeah, sa lalaki.
And the next question is, meron ka bang dream na hindi para sa'yo, kundi para sa ibang tao o ibang bagay? Example, for the Philippine music industry, ano ito?
Magandang tanong yan. Actually, when I got into musical theater, sabi ko, na-inspire ako dun sa system nila abroad na, yung musical sa kanila is a livelihood. Pwedeng, ikabuhay ng mga artists. Hindi yung kailangan parang, unstable, yung job mo. So, when I came back here, sabi ko, ang pangarap ko, one day, sana matupad, magkaroon ako ng sarili kong theater, magkakaroon ako ng mga artists ko doon na homegrown na artists na constantly nagpe-perform sila, and I would want to give the shows for free sa mga students para ma-expose sila sa theater, sa musicals, and to educate them as well, because yung shows na gusto kong gawin is educational, yung mamumulat ang mga mata nila sa lahat ng bagay, sa social issues, sa health, sa mental health, sa environment. Gusto ko yung ganung mga shows. So yun, like here, bigger than this one, if I would have a theater like this, for free, I would give it. Yun yung dream ko, actually. Yun yung ultimate dream ko. Tapos meron akong lineup of artists na, may regular salary sila, na pwede nila maging kabuhayan talaga.
And next question is, paano mo pinili ang mga kanta sa Dream Concert? May tema ba ang listahan? Example, mga songs na never mo pa nakanta na listahan ng mga songs na nag-number 1?
Ultimately, ito yung mga, ever since I was a kid, pinapakinggan ko na itong mga songs na to. And sabi ko, one day kakantahin ko itong song na to. And ito na yung pagkakataon na yun. So that's why it's entitled Dreams, kasi these are my dream songs. Ito yung mga gustong-gusto kong kantahin. Kaya first time ko lahat ito kakantahin in public. At yung karamihan kasi dito din, yung binibigyan din nila ako ng ng nostalgic feel, na binabalik nila ako sa kabataan ko, or parang ka dinadala sa ibang planeta ng mga songs. Kaya exciting for me, and I hope magustuhan ng audience kapag napanood nila.
Paano mo pinaghahandaan ang mga concerts mo bilang vocalist? May rituals ka ba bago mag-show? Regular ka bang nag-voice lessons kahit na magaling ka na singer?
Yung rituals talaga dyan, na medyo struggling ako minsan, yung mag-rest, magpahinga. Kasi sometimes over-practice ka din dahil sa kagustuhan mo maging perfect yung pagkanta mo, yung kanta mo. Sometimes kailangan mag-slow down, kailangan mong medyo mag-step back, kasi yun yung dapat ko pang aralin. Kasi I'm hurting myself sometimes, kasi ako yung nagiging cause minsan ng reason kung bakit pag dumadating yung araw ng concert, minsan parang imbis na 100% ka, 90 lang tuloy kasi medyo na-strain yung boses mo. But yeah, yun yung isa sa mga preparations ko. And voice lessons, right now, like few months ago, I was doing voice lessons and I'm planning to do more kasi dapat constant yung learning, hindi talaga yun magsa-stop.
And last but not the least, invite mo sila na panoodin yung concert mo, kung sino mga guest performers at kung saan sila makabili ng tickets.
Yes. Hi guys, I'm Gerald Santos. I'm inviting you all to watch Gerald Santos Dreams on December 3, 8 p.m. at the Newport Performing Arts Theater at Newport World Resorts with special guests Mr. Marco Sison, Miss Nayong Gion, Mr. Jed Madela, and Jonah. For tickets, you can book online or you can call ticketworld.com.ph or you can follow me on my social media accounts. You can also inquire about the tickets there. Just search for Gerald Santos on Facebook, the one with the blue badge. And on Instagram, the Gerald Santos, the one with the blue badge as well. And on TikTok, at the Gerald Santos. And please subscribe also on my YouTube channel, Gerald Santos Official.
Yun lang po. Thank you po.